All right. Make sure we're recording. We are recording. Welcome. I want to explain to you just a trade that I just took in Litecoin. I've been following the Elliott Waves. I want to show you Elliott Wave principles in practice so that we can understand why I took this trade and what we're doing. So basically, um, what I first want to show you is the divergence. Types of divergence that I see in the chart. Number one, we've got an up wave coming from here to here. We've got an upward slope here. It's making higher lows right there, and then down here on the RSI it is making lower lows on the RSI. That is called hidden bullish divergence. That means the next wave that follows where you see the hidden bullish divergence is going to be a continuation of the current trend. So we should have some bullish movement coming up here. So there's number one. Number two, as I see the RSI coming down, it got it here to the overbought region here. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way. So this is a 5-minute type trade. It doesn't mean we're going to be here for 5 minutes. That means just this is a very short-term trade. It's probably going to be overnight or into tonight a little bit. I'm going to be watching price carefully to get out quickly. Price came up to here to the 1276 here. It bounced off for the 4 wave, and I expected one more wave up for the 5th wave of C. Of this correction. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at from an Elliott Wave perspective. So I not only feel that I have another wave going up, I have the divergence as well. I've got the hidden bullish divergence and I have regular divergence. So you see this wave and this wave, we've got a downward motion there, whereas the RSI is going up. That is bullish divergence on the 5-minute chart. So, for the final confirmation of this trade, I took it. Let's just throw my fibs on here. I've got right here to there, and what you see is that this came down to the 1276 and it bounced off, okay, or started bouncing. So that tells me that this is a corrective wave. That means we have a motive wave to follow. So this isn't a motive wave. If it was a motive wave, it would have continued down to the 1618. It has not. If it decides to turn around, it's a fake out, and it continues down, then I'm just going to cut the trade, and that's fine. But this is how we do it. So that means we should have an A, B, C, and we do. We've got A, we've got B, and then we've got C, which is 5 waves, and this C should be 5 waves. So let's check it out. We got one, two, three. Oh, that's A, B, C. Excuse me. Sorry about that. 5 waves. There we go. Let's try it again. So this C should have one, two. There's three. There's four. And there's five to the 1276. Perfect. That's fantastic. Those are three confirmations that this thing's going up. So I actually took the trade right here, my entry point. I'm not going to show you the actual my finances, but I will just tell you that my trade was right there. That's where I entered. I'm going to just type it right here. This is going 81.39 was my purchase price, and I am all in at 81.39. You say, well, wait a minute. Actually, the last time I sold, I was actually a little cheaper than that, so I haven't traded a couple of these waves. So you say, haven't you lost coins? Yeah, I didn't buy as many coins as I had, but I'm not worried about it. As long as I sell these coins that I just purchased for a price that is higher, that is a successful trade. So this is the way we think about it. Okay. So we're going to be watching this. We should expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to come up here. I'm expecting this thing to finish up here. It's going to tag the $84 mark. I'm expecting that to come up there. So I'm going to be watching price very carefully tonight. And I'll set alerts and set stops for my trade in case it goes against me. Again, trading, you're never certain, but we look for good high probability trades, and this is one. So I'm looking to come up here for $84, and that means, let's see, we've got $84 minus 81.39. Let's try again. 84 minus 81.39. It's 261 per coin. Just to give you an idea, if you're trading 100 coins, that's a $260 trade. You can do the math from there. So just a little trade to add a little capital to my balance, because I expect we're coming down way down here to the $63 mark. I've been saying that for a while, so I think we're going to start the descent after this wave up. So everything's becoming Sorry about that. Let me get that off my screen. Everything's becoming more and more clear as the waves are made. So we're going to be watching this, and I thought I'd give it to you to watch it with me. All right. Have a great night. We'll talk to you later.